You have likely seen companies claim they are powered by green energy, but how do they prove it? The answer lies in renewable energy certificates. A renewable energy certificate, or REC, is a tradable proof that 1 megawatt-hour of electricity was generated from a renewable source. Think of it as a digital receipt. When a wind farm generates electricity, it produces both the power and this specific certificate. Since all electricity on the grid gets mixed together, you cannot physically track electrons. RECs provide the accounting mechanism to verify green usage. Don't confuse these with carbon offsets. RECs focus specifically on electricity generation, whereas offsets can apply to various types of emission reduction projects. The market for these certificates has grown rapidly as more corporations commit to net zero goals and seek to verify their energy supply. Ultimately, they act as the bridge between renewable developers who need capital and companies that need to prove their green credentials. Understanding these instruments helps you decode corporate sustainability claims. Subscribe for more money basics and hit that like button if this helped.